How to fix Instagram incorrect password problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram incorrect password problem and log in successfully. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with a step 1, that is to check username and email. So here make sure that you are entering the correct username and email linked to your Instagram account. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to reset your password. So here on the login screen, just tap on forgot password and choose phone, email, or Facebook to reset your password. And after that, you can simply follow the prompts to create a new strong password. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to update the Instagram app. So simply open the Google Play Store, and now here, once you're inside it, simply search for the Instagram app. And now here, on the search result, if you find any update button, then simply update it to the latest version, because sometimes older version can cause login errors. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clear the app cache. So simply long press on the Instagram app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on app info. And now here, once you're inside the Instagram app settings page, just tap on the clear data in the bottom right corner of the screen, and now here from the pop-up menu, simply select clear cache and confirm it. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to check internet connection. So here always make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable, because unstable internet can sometimes prevent login even with the correct password. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to contact the Instagram support. So here, if the problem persists, then you can simply open to the Instagram app, and now here from this section you can simply tap and search for the Instagram support help, or you can simply open any web browser. And now here in this section you can simply type Instagram support and simply search for it. And now here you can just tap on the first link, and here in this page you can simply explain your issue, and Instagram support will help you to recover your account. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Instagram password incorrect problem and log in safely. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.